Welcome to Proofpoint's how-to video tutorial series, which is aimed at sharing Proofpoint's professional services best practices for configuring the Proofpoint Protection Server's features and functionalities.
This video tutorial describes the Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, or SMTP process for sending and receiving email.
Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, or SMTP servers, use a three-part process to send and receive email. For Part 1, the sending email server telnets to port 25 of the receiving server. The line beginning with 220 is the response from the receiving server identifying itself and providing its capability. For Part 2, SMTP sends the envelope information. Similar to a paper envelope, sending an email in SMTP plain text will have an email envelope containing a greeting as well as to and from in the recipient fields. Take note that the to and from recipients that your email client sees can actually be different than what is on the envelope. Next, the sending email server exchanges envelope information, and the receiving mail server sends back a 250 hello greeting. The sending mail server sends the mail from, identifying the message sender. The receiving mail server acknowledges with a 250 OK. The sending mail server sends the RCPT to, identifying the intended recipient. If the recipient is valid on the receiving server, it sends a 250 accepted acknowledgement. The sending server then sends the data line. This ends the envelope. Following the envelope is the body of the email, and this contains the subject and any MIME attachments. In Part 3, the sending mail server then sends the message itself, which consists of headers, a message body, and any multi-purpose Internet Mail extension or MIME attachments. The receiving mail server acknowledges the data statement from the sending server by sending the 354 line. This also serves as a reminder if you're troubleshooting an SMTP connection by entering these commands yourself. Furthermore, the sending mail server sends the following headers: subject, from, and to. The sending mail server then sends the message and any attachments, followed by the end of message or EOM. The receiving mail server responds with the 250 OK line indicating the message was received. The sending server then issues the quit command. Finally, the receiving mail server responds with the 221 line identifying itself and closing the connection.
Thank you for watching our brief how-to video tutorial, which describes the Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, or SMTP process for sending and receiving email. For additional information on our products, visit our knowledge base at https://www.proofpoint.com/community. For questions, comments, or feedback on this tutorial, please email us at training@proofpoint.com.